ko Pae Tata, e pokapua hapori, e pokapū auaha, e pokapū angarau ki te rohe nei o Ruapehu. E kaupapa ararei mō ngā tamariki e are ake nei, o tino e maa tonu ngā kaupapa, e ara mō Ngāti Rangi anahe, engari mō ngā tangata katoa o te rohe nei. Ko tae mai e nei tamariki ki te Pae Tata nei mō ngā ararei.
At Te Pae Tata, we've been running a holiday program for 6 or so years now. It's been a place where the kids can come and enjoy each other's company, come and learn different tech experiences and be able to share amongst themselves what they're learning.
Right now the school holidays are on, the kids are up here engaging in the services here. There's kids from all over the community, so you would have seen, Pākehā kids there, Māori kids, and alike. And so, yeah, everyone's just getting on, having fun. We're not really in at work at the moment because of the holiday program and it being quite noisy.
E mai ana I ngā kanikani TikTok, tētehi mea pai ki ro.
Just get to meet new people. I like making friends and playing on the computers and devices, TikTok, yeah.
Every day they come and my kid wants to come. The kids and they so it's a bonus. We're doing that they really love. We can take that stress off